What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, and today I got another service call that's a perfect example on why you should not just keep adding refrigerant to an air conditioning system. This homeowner's 21-year-old carrier system stopped keeping up. Less than a month ago, we added refrigerant, 5.5 pounds of it, ultraviolet dye with a sealant, and now they want us back to find the leak. Well, we did. And in just a moment, you're gonna be stepping into a scorching hot attic with me. We pull the covers off the air handler, kill the lights, grab the ultraviolet light, and bang! There it is, the leak glowing right before our eyes. The good news? We get this family comfortable again today by recharging the system as a courtesy, buying them enough time until next week when this old, tired, 21-year-old system is retired for good and replaced with a high-efficiency, high-performance Mikey Pipes powered by ACiQ, fully communicating, inverter-driven heat pump system. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, we have this carrier. '48 4-ton air handler. Looks like it had something in the past. What's up with that? ECM motor. ECM control, relay, evaporator coil, and dye sealant. There you go. Evaporator coil. So there's all of the dye right there, coming from the coil. We added a dye with sealant about a month ago. System's not cooling anymore because the low pressure switch is turning the compressor on and off outside. It sucks. Folks, after identifying the leak in the coil in that carrier air handler that was manufactured 21 years ago, and having a conversation with the homeowners about cost to repair versus replace, we are now adding refrigerant to the system because we will be replacing the equipment with a Mikey Pipes powered by ACiQ 4-ton side discharge Extreme Plus communicating heat pump system. This outdoor condensing unit is going to be relocated to the wall right there on a wall mount bracket. Nice, sleek, cool, modern, high performance, high efficiency heating and cooling system. Amazing. Let's add some refrigerant to the system to seal the deal. Here's a brand new 25-pound jug of R410A. I got a charging hose by Field Piece on here. I love this Field Piece charging hose. Got that on there. Let's open up that valve. I'm not even going to weigh this in. Just going to flip this upside down like that. I'm going to purge the air out like that. And now we're going to open up the king valve here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Really? There you go. Looks like we got some pressure in there, 204 psi. Not too shabby. All right. Let's connect the hose to here. Come on, get on there, baby. I don't know, today it just, these connections just don't want to line up for me for some reason. What is going on here? There we go. Okay, let's open up that valve. cool. Let's not lose this. Put that in there. Let's plug her back in. Fire up. Now we're gonna make sure the thermostat is on to cool. All right, thermostat decided to turn off. So right now we're dumping liquid refrigerant into the system. 83, 77, 74 PSI. We're gonna need probably a few pounds here. My goal is next week to get this system replaced. We have the equipment in stock. We stock 2, 3, 4 ton systems. We don't stock half size systems, but I have enough inventory where if I need to get a job done on an urgent basis, the equipment is available to me. And when I buy from ACiQ, I get my equipment in about 3 days. So pretty cool. Hundreds, man, still, oh, it's going back up again. 84 PSI. Now it's going to drop again. It's probably going to take about 5 pounds like I did before. Can't tell what this thing says anymore. Oh, maybe. Let's see. A lot of HVAC contractors ask me this question over and over and over again. Mikey Pipes, if ACiQ is sold direct to the HVAC contractors, cutting out distributors, making your purchase price significantly less, well, how are you getting it directly from the manufacturer? Well, folks, it comes on pallets, just like these 2 pallets we just got just moments ago. We got a 3-ton indoor and outdoor, a 3-ton single zone ductless, and a pool heater, all delivered in 3 days. 3 days, folks. Today's Wednesday. I placed the order on Friday afternoon. That is pretty incredible. But guess what? If I place the order on Monday, today's Wednesday, I'll be getting it tomorrow. And that's how quickly you get your orders from ACiQ. What are you waiting for? For more information, go to aciq.com/Mikey Pipes. Tell them I sent you. I get an attaboy, and you get an incredible bonus on your first order just by mentioning my name. What are you waiting for? Go to aciq.com/Mikey Pipes. Do it now.